Hello, friends. Welcome to Day 2 of our Beginner to Confident Speaker 60 Days Challenge. Today we are going to learn self-introduction in very simple English. Let's start. When we introduce ourselves, we always start with a greeting like hello or hi, because it is the polite and correct way to begin a conversation. A greeting makes the other person feel comfortable and shows respect. It also creates a friendly start before we tell our name or other details. If we talk without greeting, the introduction sounds incomplete and rude. That is why we always say hello or hi first. It opens the conversation in a warm and simple way. After the greeting, the next step is to tell your name. This is the most important part of self-introduction because it tells the other person who you are. Use very simple lines. My name is _ Whatever your name is, it will come. Or you can do that. I am _ Whatever your name is, it will appear here. Both sentences mean the same thing. You can use any one. Both are correct and very easy for beginners. Let us now understand with an example. Hello, my name is Aman. It is very easy, just a matter of practice. And say these lines slowly and clearly so the listener can understand your name easily. After telling your name, you can tell your age. This step is optional. It means you can say it only if you want to. Some people include age in self-introduction, and some don't. Both are correct. We use one simple sentence. I am 15 years old. Say your age in a slow and clear voice so it is easy to understand. Now tell the listener where you live. This is an important part of self-introduction because it gives basic information about your location. We use a very simple sentence. I live in _ Just add the name of your city. Examples. I live in Delhi. I live in Mumbai. I live in Kolkata. Speak this line clearly so the person easily understands your city name. After telling your city, the next step is to say what you do. This means you tell the listener whether you study, work, or prepare for exams. This helps people understand your daily life. We use simple sentences. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am preparing for exams. You can choose the line that matches your situation. Say this sentence with confidence because it tells your main role. Now you can share one hobby. This step is optional, but it makes your introduction more interesting. A hobby tells people what you enjoy doing in your free time. We use a very simple sentence. I like _ Just add your hobby. Examples. I like reading. I like music. I like playing games. Choose only one hobby to keep your introduction short and easy. Now let's put all the steps together. This example shows how your full self-introduction should sound. It is very simple, short, and perfect for beginners. Let's start. Hello. My name is Aman. I am 20 years old. I live in Delhi. I am a student. I like reading books. Did you enjoy it? See how easy it all is? This example includes greeting, name, age, city, work, and hobby, all in simple sentences. You can change the details and make your own introduction using the same format. Great job! Day 2 complete. Comment. Day 2 done. Heavy check mark. See you in Day 3.